Today's featured car slash pickup truck is a 1971 Ford Ranchero. And I'll read the seller's description at the auction that he had on the window. And it states 1971 Ford Ranchero, rebuilt 302 engine, rebuilt C4 automatic transmission, power steering, power front disc brakes, new ceramic coated headers, complete new exhaust system, Flowmaster mufflers, custom 20-inch wheels and tires. This Ranchero has only 121 miles on a $6,000 professionally rebuilt engine and transmission. Receipts provided. And it bid to $8,000 and did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. And potentially the wheels might have been a sticking point for some people. The wheels usually hit a nerve, normally not good, normally bad, but wheels are a personal choice. That's why there's so many of them available. If we all liked the same ones, we'd all have the same wheels. And this version of the Ranchero was only available in 1970 and 1971. But anyway, that's today's featured car slash pickup truck, a 1971 Ford Ranchero with a rebuilt 302 engine and a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission that went to $8,000 but did not sell at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Truck Finder, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my channel page, Truck Finder, and you can look for something else that looks interesting to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.